Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I am going to show you how I make my easy lemon bars. These lemon bars are so good. We're using marshmallow fluff. It gives the taste of lemon meringue pie. Let's get into it right after this. First, you want to get your oven set up, so you're going to set it to 350 to go ahead and preheat. This is a really sticky bar, so I like to put down some parchment paper in my pan before I start. I'm also going to spray it with some non-stick spray, but it just, in the long run, it makes it a lot easier to get these bars out and cut. I have a stand mixer, but you can do this by hand or with a hand mixer. But the first ingredient you're going to put in your bowl is 1 box of lemon cake mix. Just the mix, not the whole recipe. Just go ahead and dump the mix into the bowl. The next thing that you're going to add in is 1/2 cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter melted. Add in 1 egg. Then you're going to mix these ingredients together until they are fully combined and a thick dough forms. And you can see that here. It's like, it almost looks like Play-Doh. Now take 2/3 of that dough and push it down flat into the bottom of your pan. Once you flatten that out, in another small bowl, you're going to put in 1/2 cup of marshmallow fluff. Then add 1/4 cup lemon juice. And last but not least, 1 egg. You're going to stir these ingredients together until they are well combined and smooth. It is a little hard to do with your hand. I do recommend some type of hand mixer, but it can be done by hand. It's kind of difficult. Once that is all blended together and smooth, you are going to dump it on top of your dough that you have pressed out flat in your baking pan. That remaining bit of dough you had, you are now going to crumble into little pieces and just scatter it around on the top, just to kind of help keep this like liquidy layer in place. It'll all come together. Trust me, it'll all come together. It's going in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's slightly brown around the edges. This is about what it should look like coming out of the oven. It has like the golden brown top around the sides. And now we are going to cut it. This is where that parchment paper comes in handy, because you can just lift that right on out and peel down the sides, and it makes it just so much easier to cut these into bars. Powdered sugar is optional, but I like to do it before I cut the bars. A tip for these bars, they are gooey, so I try to use a knife that I've run under warm water, just so it's easier to pull it up when I cut. And that's it. Those are the lemon bars. They're so easy. I like to make them if I'm craving lemon meringue pie and I don't have access to lemon meringue pie. They're just gooey and soft and just perfect. A great like summer treat. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you like videos like this or travel or home or anything else. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.